Hey, how's it going, everybody? Rodolfo Del Rio here with WTL Electric, and we're talking about adding candle lights in a basement where there is no attic access. So you might remember from another video, we talked about expecting to open up drywall. Now, I know there's electricians out there that claim that they're really good and they can do it without opening up drywall. And just a word of advice, that's a really very risky task, and I wouldn't recommend it for anybody to do that. This right here is called a flex bit, and this is the tool that some contractors will use to kind of drill through a joist from here to here and fish it back and forth. And I do own one of these, but not for that purpose, for other purposes that I'll explain in another video. But if, for example, if I were to utilize this tool right here and kind of do the blind drilling, act like everything's okay, like I tell you folks, you see this camera? We went ahead and cut it because we play everything safe here. And our customer safety is the main concern. Is we have a can light right here, hole. But look at all this plumbing right here. Right through the joist, you know what I mean? On the other side, there's just so much more. So you're trying to tell me that someone's gonna come through with that drill bit, miss all this and come through here? You know, folks, it's really not worth the risk. You know, you have a PVC pipe right here, you have a copper line. You know, even nicking something like this over time will start leaking and cause way more damage, way more headache than just cutting open a little piece of drywall to safely drill a hole to get through to the other light. So yeah, folks, just a word of advice: when you're ready to start doing renovations and ready to do some upgrades, expect the unexpected, and just be ready for what stuff can be thrown at you. But like I said, we like to open up drywall, keep it minimal, but we're going in with intention. We're gonna open it up. So yeah, hope you found this informative. Stay safe. Thanks for watching.